Okay, so for today, my learning management system that I'm going to be looking at is Schoology. So it's a pretty cool website, very interactive. Right here you see the home page, so you just click on Schoology, takes you here, and so you have just all your main stuff is right here, and up here you can go to courses, and so I already created a course called EDP 447, and the way you create courses is actually pretty easy and pretty cool, and I like it. So you just go over here and manage courses. You do create course, and it gives you this pop-up window. So let's say we want to do EDP. Let's do 279. Shoot. Alright, here we go. Maybe this will work better. So then you have your course name, EDP 279. You can change your section, so you can change it to section A. Your subject area, we'll just say professional development for now, and you can choose your level. So for 279, the level was an undergrad course, so you just do create, and so it creates the course for you. And in here you have things like updates, where you can send out posts to the class to tell them what's going on, what's in the future. Your materials tab right here, where you can add materials from any folder. You can add an assignment, a test, quiz, files, things like that, where you can go down to these find resources, which I'll look at later, which is a really cool feature. So really it's very similar to what we use with Canvas, just kind of a different layout, different UI. But yeah, so that's the first thing that I thought was pretty cool. The second thing that I thought was really cool was this resources tab. So here you can add your own resources, like you can create your own resources, whatever. But my thing that I think is the coolest is this public here. And so in the public resource tab, there's everything, and it's a community where people post the resources that they like the most or that they think are helpful. Like this badges thing right here, it comes with a bunch of badges that you give to students when they do something well, bad, things like that. So you just add it, and it's added to your to your course resources. And then you have things like Khan Academy. You can come up here and even add apps in here too, which I think is really cool. So you just have to first agree. So you have things like Dropbox, Evernote, Google Drive, Khan Academy, which I think the Khan Academy one is really cool. So you just install it, and it just takes you to, you gotta approve it, and you can just utilize that throughout your different courses. And the last thing that I thought was really cool was this little thing down here where it gives you updates, so what's new, and it just gives you things new features for the LMS. So you can see here simplified login with QR code, and then this one was really cool. This is one that I've actually checked out, assessment reporting within courses. So you can come here, this kind of gives you an overview, but what it is it takes assessments that are fairly similar across the board for everybody who's using this, and you basically upload how your students are doing on these assessments, and it'll give you personalized reports compared to students across the country, which I think is super cool and super helpful, and definitely a feature that would make your job a lot easier as a teacher. But anyways, those are 3 of the features that I thought were pretty cool about this.